Hi, Dad.
Hey, how you doing, big guy? Let's watch the triple header train number 4 league. It's Highball and Fullerton. Next
All right, Dean.
Riverside.
All right. Number 152.
152, 114, 15. They just 3 out of 14.
That's right. I knew you were going to do that. Woohoo! What? Woohoo!
Right on! They did it, Derek!
Yeah! Woohoo!
They did it!
Yeah! Woohoo!
Oh, they did
Oh
it
my
for us.
gosh! Yeah! All right,
You guys got a team ride on this? That's unbelievable.
yeah, here comes the end of
Back
it.
the road in the Sightseer Lounge car.
Here comes the end of it. Woohoo! All right, bye, Dad.
See ya, big guy.
That's all of our videos. I'll see you on Not Spirit Farm. Bye, Dad. Tomorrow. Bye. Bye, Dean.
Great train. There it goes east of Chicago. Woo!